This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, almost 2,800 square feet, and a true 2-car garage. As you step inside, you will love the large open floor plan, plus the extra flex space downstairs that provides endless possibilities. Upstairs, you will find a loft that is perfect for a kid's hangout, reading nook, or game night spot. Step outside to your fully fenced-in, flat backyard, perfect for grilling out and hosting all of the summer gatherings. 176 Fioli Circle is your answer to an affordable home that will fit your entire family, and it is conveniently located to both North Augusta and Aiken.